Prime Minister Modi is currently in Jeddah on a state visit. He has in fact put out a post and he has said, I strongly condemn the terror attack in Pahalgam of Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, I believe we have Shreya who's joining us with details. Shreya, can you tell us what the Prime Minister said?
Meghna, the Prime Minister, as you rightly said, might be in Saudi Arabia, but he is concerned with what has been happening in Jammu and Kashmir and has put out a tweet condemning and strongly condemning the terror attack in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, he goes on to say that those behind this heinous act will be brought to justice. They will not be spared. Their evil agenda will never succeed. Our resolve to fight terrorism is unshakable and it will get even stronger. All possible assistance is being provided to those affected. So the Prime Minister of India really coming out with a strong message against the perpetrators of this absolutely dastardly terror attack that has happened in Jammu and Kashmir in Pahalgam, with details still trickling in. But the Prime Minister, remember, he might be in Saudi Arabia, but he's very, very concerned. He spoke with the Home Minister as well. He's asked the Home Minister to visit Srinagar to take a review of the security apparatus there. And that's what we will see Amit Shah doing, reaching Srinagar in a short while from now. But the Prime Minister sending out an extremely stern message as far as this terror attack is concerned. Meghna.
Well, Shreya, do stay on with us.